Okay, guys. Let's go. Let's go find the eggs. Come on, Thomas. Come get the eggs. Come here, buddy. Over here. Over here. Thomas, look in there. Look in there. Look in there. What's that? Get it. It's an Easter egg. Get it. Come on. We got to collect these. Let's go. Look. Over here. Get that yellow one. Get it.
Yeah, he's running.
Get it. All right, over here. Get it. Get that egg. Get it. Over there in the corner. Get it.
I'm going to get that. I saw it first.
Okay, Zach, go out there. There's more out in there in the courtyard. Pico. Come on.
Okay, I'll film.
Come on. Thomas, there's more eggs.
There's more eggs.
Let's look around. See if we can find it. Ah, look, there's one.
Ah, it's one there.
Thomas. He's quick. You gotta move quick.
Zachary's got the loot. Look at all those eggs.
Over there. You're stealing our space. Go over there.
Tegan,
Yes. You got another one?
are you seeing the Easter egg hunt? Oh, you're a lunger. Show me those teeth. Show me those teeth. Let me see those teeth.
Is there more?
Yeah.
Really?
Here you go,
I
sweetheart.
can't find any more.
Oh, thank you.
It's vodka, orange juice, and a little bit of sparkling water.
Oh, perfect. Love it.
You guys find it all?
Go get it. Gotta make a few more.
Oh, don't steal it. Come on.
Thomas. Thomas.
I got two.
Glasses are these.
Mine. I've been looking for those. Can you put them on my face?
Thomas.
Okay, keep looking.
Thomas. Come on, what's wrong, Thomas? What's wrong?
Thomas, show me all your eggs. You got lots of eggs.
Stay there.
Could you give him that blue egg, Zach?
Oh boy.
One blue egg.
This is like a communist redistribution of the eggs.
All right.
Yeah, now
Thomas,
we're all
come here.
buddies again.
Zachary, go look over there on that plumbing. No, Thomas, come here. Come here. Come here. No, stay there, Zach.
You got it. Show me your eggs, Thomas. Let me see.
It's not.
Is it, wait, Thomas. Oh, there's another one. You got another one.
You guys did.
Okay, so show me what's inside.
Is that all of them, guys? Thomas. Thomas, there's one more.
Oh, you guys got treats?
Got jelly beans? Not too many.
Zach, there's one more over there. Go get it.
No way. There?
Zach,
Football?
Wrong way.
Like a peg?
That's yummy.
That's yummy?
Yummy. Yummy.
Zach, go sit down. You got it?
You guys put it right over, way over there?
Yes,
Got a little weight. Feels good.
Oh, there's two.
Sorry.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay, leave some room for some ham and mashed potatoes and Brussels sprouts and peppers.
Nice.